Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact restriction message, and you collect the IMEI, SIM number, and account details. This matters because carriers and databases use those ID. Once done, power the phone off for 30 seconds, remove and reinsert the SIM, and toggle airplane mode. Do these quick fixes first because many blocks clear with a simple re-registration. Then test a second SIM. If a different SIM gets service, the block is likely account or SIM specific. You now isolate whether the problem is the handset or the account. Put your SIM into a working phone and try a different SIM in your phone because that quickly tells you which side is blocked. Next, log into the carrier account and confirm there's no unpaid balance, fraud alert, or lost phone flag. Carriers often block service for those reasons. Then call or chat with the carrier, provide the IMEI and account proof, and formally request an unblock or removal from their blacklist. Ask for a reference number. You finish by applying any carrier instructions. After they confirm an unblock, reset network settings, and if unresolved, perform a factory reset. Make sure you back up first. Once restored, reinsert the SIM and verify voice, SMS, and data. Check signal bars and make a test call. If the phone remains blocked, escalate with the carrier using the reference number, request an IMEI review or new SIM, and, as a last resort, file a complaint with the telecom regulator. This often forces a timely resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.